If you're a frequent internet user like most of the world, you're probably familiar with Google. It's one of the most used search engines in the world. But did you know that there's a website where you can earn money just by using Google? Yes, there's a website that pays you to use Google. You can use it on your phone, you can use it in any electronic device, and you can do it everywhere you are. You can do it from your bed, you can do it in the beach, you can do it while waiting in the line. You can do it on your ride home or do it literally anywhere you want, as long as you have access to the internet. If you watch this video until the end, I'll explain you step by step how to do this so you can start making money. But for now, please leave a comment, like, and subscribe so you don't miss out on the latest money-making strategies on the internet. And with that being said, let's begin. So I'll start by explaining every step and showing you a live sample of how you do it, so you could start to earn some money. So just pay close attention and follow the steps, and keep in mind that this is going to be real effortless since we'll be using just 2 websites. So the first website, as I've mentioned before, is Google. And I'm gonna show you the second one in a minute. Now, why am I doing this video? Well, firstly, I'm doing this to help because I know there's a lot of people out there struggling to make money. And secondly, I already have my own business model that makes a lot more money, and until recently, I didn't want to share this with anyone. I didn't want to show this business to anyone, but then I realized that the more people in this business, the better. So I started teaching people every day to do the same. I share my business model with them, and I must admit I'm happier because I get to see people going from broken and desperate to making hundreds, in some cases even thousands of dollars, because this is truly unique. It's not affiliate marketing. It's not merge selling. It's not Shopify. Not MLM. It's not some legendary marketer whatsoever, and if you want me to explain to you step by step, I want to teach you exactly how you can do the same and show you the exact same methods that hundreds of students use to make big money online. Anyways, let's get back to the video. So the first step for you is just to open up Google and leave it like that. Okay, so the main website you'll be using combined with Google so we can make money by searching on Google is going to be this website. But you must keep watching because if you just go over straight to the site and you try to figure out on your own, you will not know what to do because I'm going to show you the simple Google trick that will actually allow you to get paid a lot of money with this website. So I'm going to show you how to combine those two in order to make money just by searching Google. And I'm also going to explain to you exactly how this works. And if you follow each and every step during this video, by the end of it, you'll be ready to make money, as I said. As you can see, the site has been working with some of the biggest companies in the world, so you know it's worth it. Like, they've been partnered with a lot of notable corporations. As you can see, all of these are some of the biggest companies in the world. And take a look at how much money there is to be made. With one simple search, it can be $1,600, $800, $10,000, and so on and so forth. All you have to do is sign up to this website, mindsumo.com, and you're well on your way. And how do you do that? Well, you click here. Log in. Sign up, so click here. Since you don't have an account yet, click on I don't have an account. Remember, this is completely free, and it won't ask you for any bank or credit card details. Just enter your first name, enter your last name, enter your country, email address, create a unique password right here, and choose birth date, gender, and then you will need to rate your skill levels in this field, so you'll need to select creativity skills, marketing skills, and technical skills. Now, this is really optional, but I recommend you choose a higher or at least average frequency because this is going to give you better chances of making more money. So just pick that out right there. After filling out this personal info, now there are going to be questions like why are you interested in using MindSumo? And what types of projects are you most interested in solving? Now we just answer questions like this one, because it's better to train your minds by searching something or just answering something by searching it on somewhere. And the other question here is like you're interested in many things, as that proves that you can answer many of their questions, where you can get paid right here. Now on this part, you don't have to check these 3 boxes because that's going to sign you up to their email subscription list. And of course, we don't want that, so you'll just need to take these 3 boxes. Accept their terms and conditions and their privacy policy. You can read by clicking on these links. And this one, which is to prevent plagiarism. After that, just click on I'm not a robot and answer the CAPTCHA. Sign up, and you have an account to mindsumo.com. Now once you log into your account and you scroll a little bit down, you're going to be able to see all of these different challenges or questions and projects which you can answer and get paid for doing. You can see they're paying from a couple of hundreds of dollars all the way up to thousands, and basically, here in the left-hand side, you're going to be able to see different categories which you can select. So there's definitely going to be no shortage of money to be made on these websites, since there are new questions and new projects and new challenges coming in every single day. Let me show you some past projects, like if I open up for example this one over here, you're gonna be able to see how much money people have been making from this challenge alone. You can see the total budget was $10,000 from the top, and there were 10 top answers, and those top 10 answers are splitting their revenue. As you can see, they're all getting $1,000 each. So in challenges like this, you should be aiming for the top spots so that you're sure to get some money. In this case, sometimes it's going to be a lot more than that. But stick with me so I can show you that simple Google trick and how exactly you will be paid to search Google. Anyways, I want to come back here and select some of these categories. For example, let's go with computer science. Then just choose any of these projects you'd want and you will enter that project. So you can see they're going to ask you a question right here. This is the main question that we need to answer, and we have a chance to win a share of $1,600. So what's that Google trick? Well, here's what you do. You'll need to copy this question right here. Copy that. Go over to Google and paste the question right here so we can find an answer here on Google. You can go through all these articles. For example, open up this one and try to find if there's an answer to our question. And you can see, this is exactly what we're looking for. So they're given examples of how that could look like. So this is answered by someone who really knows what he or she is doing. It'll most likely be in one of the top shares on here, and you saw how easy that was. So what I did here was I just copied this. The next thing I need to do is to add the answer a little bit. So how did you do that? I went back to Google. I searched for Google Docs, so make sure to search for Google Docs and open on this website, docs.google.com. This is their official website. Now click on blank right here. Click that and go back to their article, and then you can copy and paste some of their answers. Paste it right here. Go back. Copy another one. So the longer the answer, the better, so that you have more chances of making more money. To add to that, if your answer is more impactful, the better. And now you can of course add this. As for the answer itself, just search for the answer on Google, edit it on Google Docs, and once you're done, just click File. Go to Download, choose Download in PDF format, and you're all set. Once you open up that document, it's going to look something like this. As you can see, this is really professional, and once you have it on your computer, you will just come back here and submit the answer and win. Now bear in mind, you will not win a full $1,600. You will need to share that with other participants. However, you also have to remember that the $1,600 are an accumulated total, and you have to keep doing this if you want to earn big. Now this project was actually completed. You can see it's done, so I would need to find something that's actually opened and then submit my answers. To submit, just search Google again, log in, type in your password, and submit the answer. So that's how easy it is. Just by searching on Google, there's a huge chance of making a lot of money online. Of course, it's not a sure shot that you'll get your cut, but it's just that you have nothing to lose. It's really easy. And as I said, you can do it from anywhere you like, so why not do it when you have nothing to do and looking to make a quick buck? So that's it for today's video. Before you leave, don't forget to like this video. Let me know in the comments how it worked out for you. And of course, subscribe. Have a great day and happy money making!